Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see me writing?
Ossicons.
What are ossicones?
And giraffe.
They're on a giraffe. Where are they located on a giraffe?
Head.
On their head. Very good.
Mama, let's do hi.
Hi.
And let's do Pete Thomas.
P.P. Thomas? Okay.
No, Pete Thomas.
Okay, but you gotta see it the real way. Okay.
Pete Thomas.
What is that word?
No, it says Pete Thomas.
What does it say? When you're a big boy, how do you say it?
No, I'm a baby.
You are not a baby, you're a big boy. How does it...
Hippopotamus.
Thank you. Very good. How about this one?
Giraffe.
Good job. How about...
Jennifer.
Very good. How about this one?
Slapika.
Very good. What else? Let's see. What's that one?
Lion.
Lion. How about this one?
Ryan.
Yes. How about we come up here, because I'm running out of room down below. Let's see. How about... That's an easy one.
Cat. Let's do in cheetah.
Do you know cheetah?
Cheetah.
How about this one? What's that one?
What is this one?
Oh, we already did that one. I'm sorry. How about this one?
Tiger.
Tiger. How about... What are you videoing? Are you videoing your arm?
No.
No, you're videoing the corner?
No.
You're videoing me kissing your cheek.
Mama.
Yes,
Go.
honey. Okay, I'm thinking.
Eyes. Toes.
Do you know this one?
Head.
Very good. How about, do you know this one?
What does that mean?
Sound it out. What does that say?
Grammy.
That's correct. Very good, Ryan. Very well
Let's
done. Baba also. What's that?
Baba.
Baba.
And that's Grammy.
Okay. How about we take a break?
Mama.